Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of silver, it is currently trading at around 18.980. Okay, and one important thing that you have to notice that this is the particular range. Okay, and the range low, if you look at from till around 2nd of May 2022, we can see in the first week till it was the range was around $21.4, the low of that particular range. Okay, after that what we have seen, this range has break downside and another zone has come here. Okay, and this particular zone sustained for about 2 weeks as of now. Okay, and that low was around 18.715. okay, it has already made. If you have checked my video, I have already told you that $21, if it goes below this level 21.3, we can see it can move further down and can break this particular low, because it was already being tested 2-3 times and this zone is since August of 2020. It's been 2 years pause in this particular zone. So once this zone breaks downside, we could have seen a further low, and it has already made a low of around $18.7. Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, we can see it can move further down towards a level of 18.729. okay, and if that level goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of 18.510. suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 18.347, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of 18.183. okay, suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 17.964. okay, and if that level goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of 17.691. okay, and once the price goes below that level, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of $16.9, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 16.7. okay, now you have to understand something, that suppose if this particular level sustain, before we move forward, if you have any doubt, I have given the mail ID in the description, or one more mail ID, stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, @gmail.com. you can mail me in that, and please watch the full video, then only you will understand how this technical works. And Telegram link also I have given in the description, you can join. Suppose if this particular level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 19.197, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 19.484. okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $20.2. okay, and if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $20.8. okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 21.299. okay, and if the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $21.8. okay, and if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 22.300, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 22.494. okay, and if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 22.494. okay, and if it goes above that, then this particular range will be a break upside, and we can see it can move further high towards a level of 22.876, and from there we can see a level of 23.306 also. okay, keep this in mind, because if the zone breaks upside, we can see it can move further high. I am making short video in order you can see it properly without taking much of it times, but few things that is why you have to see it full. okay, now understand something, if you have to trade, you have to be very careful, because most of the people lose money in trading. okay, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Try to calculate your risk, that is 0.5 to 1%, that comes to $50 to $100. okay, suppose if you took 5 trades, that comes to around $500 risk. If you trade 5 trades, 100 per trade. So if you lose all 5 trades, you know risk is $500. so next day what you can focus more on profit rather than recovering this particular 500 rupees. okay, what people do, they lose so much amount that they try to recover that particular amount, which in turn lose their full capital. okay, this is what they do. What I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these problems, when to enter, when to exit, how to strategize the trades, okay, when to sit patiently or when to trade. This is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that, and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.